Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to change your download region in Steam on your Windows PC or Mac. Adjusting your download region in Steam can enhance your download speeds by connecting you to a server closer to your location. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Steam client on your Windows PC or macOS device. And then you have to click on the Steam menu located in the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose the settings option in the drop-down menu. And if you are using a macOS device, you have to select the preferences option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to scroll down and select the Downloads tab in the left sidebar. Under the Download Region section, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to view a list of available regions. Then you have to select the region closest to your location or the one that offers the best download speeds for you. And finally, you have to click on the OK option to apply the changes, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that changing your download region affects only download speeds and does not alter your Steam store region or pricing. Besides, this setting does not bypass regional restriction or change your account's home country. And there you have it. Changing your download region in Steam is a quick and effective way to optimize your download speeds and improve your gaming experience. So whether you are on a Windows PC or a macOS device, following these steps ensure you can customize your settings to suit your network conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.